Hello everyone, this is KDev, and today we're going to show you how you can create an account for your kid on your Mac computer. First, we're going to head to the System Preferences, then go to Parental Controls down here. This will ask us if you want to create a new account or convert the current account to a parental control account. We're going to proceed with the selected option, which is creating a new account. Then the system will ask us to unlock the parental control preferences by using either the Touch ID or by entering the password. So if you have the Touch ID, go ahead and use it. Now this menu will ask you to enter the details for your kid. What is the age group, what is the name, account name, and password. So let's say I want to create an account for a 12 plus years old kid. The name is my kid. This is an account name, which is basically the home folder. A password, let's say a password will be password. Verify the password, and if you want to put a hint for it, then hit create user. The system again will ask you to unlock the computer to verify the selected options. Then go ahead and unlock it, and that's it. Now my kid has been created, and you are presented with a list of options that you can choose of. Basically, those options will allow you to select certain options that you want or you don't want your kid to be able to do. So since we selected an account to be a 12 plus account, there are certain things that are selected and others are not. So let's say I don't want my kid to use the camera. They can use Game Center. I don't want them to limit their mail. I don't want them to limit the applications on my Mac, web. It's auto-selected to limit access to adult websites, or I can basically allow unrestricted access. I'm going to stick with the option of limit their access to select adult websites. I can customize that by allow these certain websites or disallow certain websites. I can also only allow them to access the websites that I would specify. So let's say I want to add a bookmark here, and I want to say this is Yahoo, and I'm going to say this is yahoo.com, and then Yahoo had been added, and then the kid can access that. Otherwise, I can just limit them to certain websites that are not for adults. Stores, if I want them to access the iTunes stores, such as iTunes or Apple Books, what kind of movies they watch, what kind of TV shows, apps, etc. The best thing probably you would like is the time, so you can actually limit the time that they can use the computer. So let's say I want to limit their weekday use to only 4 hours a day, and maybe the weekends I can increment that to like 5 hours a day. Bedtime at school nights and weekends can be set as well. So if you want like specific nights, or if you don't want like the kid to have a restriction on the weekends, you can just turn that off. Privacy, if there are like any certain privacy rules that you want to set, such as contacts, calendar reminders, etc., as well as some other things, such as if you don't want your kid to use Siri, if you want to disable the CD or DVD burner, there are some like explicit language in the dictionary you want to prevent, dock, or if you want to use a simple finder. That's all it is. I hope you find this video useful, and good luck. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks a lot.